I can tell what you think, and you always be making the worst of it all. Did you think by now I'd be crashing and burning straight through the wall? Sweating inside of the words, I do it all because life's too short to know if I
May keep me hanging on, but now I gotta know, is this love enough, or should we let it go? Will I ever get to heaven with you? Will I ever breathe the air that you do? Will I ever touch the angels? Will we fly? Will I ever get to heaven with you? Another night starts to fall, and the wind carries me when I wanna crawl. 'Cause when I look inside, there's a fire in me that I can hide. Will I ever breathe the air that you do? Will I ever touch the angels? Will we fly? Will I ever get to heaven? Wishing, hoping, aching, circling in my mind, getting tired of waiting. Hear me praying. Will I ever get to heaven with you? Will I ever breathe the air that you do? Will I ever touch the angels? Will we fly? Will I ever get to heaven? Will I ever get to heaven with you? Will I ever breathe the air that you do? Ever breathe the air? Will I ever touch the angels? Will we fly? Will I ever get to heaven with you?
Ayan guys, muli mabati po ako ng happy 3rd Mansari sa tahanan ng LFL family. Ayan. At thank you kasi naging bahagi ako ng BI na to. Thank you kay Mami Lynn, kay Daddy MJ, sa mga kapatid ko. Ayan. Thank you so much guys sa pagtanggap sa akin dito. And then, maraming salamat kasi binuo ang BI na to na merong respeto, pagkakaisa, pagmamahalan sa bawat isa, and then nagtutulungan ang bawat isa. Ayan, mahal na mahal ko kayo, ang mga kapatid ko, ang mga naging family ko dito, naging magulang. Ayan, maraming salamat. Happy 3rd Mansari sa ating lahat. Ayan, sana magtagal pa yung BI natin, magtagal pa yung pagsama-sama natin dito. Ayan, stay strong lang tayo guys. Ayan, we love you guys. And then, ayan, sana lumaki pa yung family natin. Ayan, magsama-sama tayo dito. Ayan, maraming salamat sa lahat. Ayan, we love you. Love you guys. Love you.
Ayan guys, una-una po sa lahat, happy 3rd Mansari po ng LFL family. Salamat ni Mami Lynn, Daddy MG, at sa mga kapatid ko po na naging bahagi po ako ng pamilyeng ito, at wala po akong masasabi sa pagtanggap niyo po sa akin. sana po nawa po'y magtagal pa po ang ating pagsasama po. At thank you sa lahat ng mga kapatid ko dyan. Salamat po. At uulitin ko po, happy third Mansari po. Thank you. We love you all.